Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Peloton how to unclip. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Unclipping from your Peloton pedals is a straightforward process. To do it, first what you need to do is bring the bike to a complete stop. Gradually slow down your pedaling until the bike comes to a halt. Alternatively, you can press and hold the weight resistance knob to stop the pedals immediately. Then second is to position the pedal. Place the pedal on your dominant foot at the 6 o'clock position, the lowest point. This positioning makes it easier to unclip. Then next is to unclip the first foot. Twist your heel outward away from the bike frame with moderate force. You may feel some resistance, but this motion should release your foot from the pedal. Then next is to unclip the second foot. Once the first foot is free, place it on the floor for support, then unclip your other foot using the same outward twisting motion. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.